Researchers at the University of Otago have established that wheat gluten can induce brain inflammation in mice. The study, recently published in the Journal of Neuroendocrinology, could prove important for our understanding of how the human body processes gluten. The study's lead author, Associate Professor Alex Tupps, highlights the relevance of using mice for such research. Mice are an excellent model to study human physiology. It's quite possible that the same inflammation we found in mice could happen in humans, Professor Tupps explains, pointing to the rodents' similar circulatory, digestive and nervous systems. The research aimed to discern the effect of wheat gluten on body weight, metabolic markers, and central inflammation in male mice. They were fed a standard diet or a high-fat diet. Some mice's food was enriched with 4.5% gluten, reflecting average human consumption. Though prior research has shown gluten's role in promoting body mass gain and inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, this is the first study to uncover gluten's impact on the brain. Tupps said, "For the first time, we can report gluten-induced hypothalamic inflammation. Two types of immune cells, astrocytes and microglia, akin to macrophages in the blood, exist in the brain." The study showed an increase in these immune cells with both gluten-enriched and high-fat diets, which also had additive effects. Meanwhile, the study did not find any effect of gluten on energy expenditure, as previous studies. The increased immune cell number was found in a brain area called the hypothalamus. Given this region's pivotal role in regulating body weight and blood sugar, increased inflammation could have detrimental long-term effects. If these effects became persistent, they might exacerbate the risk of impaired memory function, which is linked to disturbed blood sugar regulation. The exact cause of these findings remains elusive. It's entirely new, and we don't know yet why it is the case, says study lead. Despite these findings, Professor Tupps advises caution against sweeping dietary changes. We are not saying that gluten is bad for everyone. For gluten-tolerant people to go entirely gluten-free may have health implications that may outweigh potential benefits. We are saying that future studies need to reveal whether our findings in mice are translatable to humans, and whether gluten-induced astro and microgliosis may also develop in gluten-sensitive individuals.